Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to the channel Saleha'sZone. डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आप इस चैनल पर नए हैं तो वीडियो की जानिब बढ़ने से पहले चैनल को लाजमी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। शुक्रिया। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Here's a potential Mother's Day speech. Good morning, afternoon, everyone. Today we gather to celebrate a very special person in our lives. Our mothers. A mother's love is like no other. Unconditional, selfless, and unwavering. From the moment we take our first breath, our mothers are there for us, nurturing, guiding, and supporting us every step of the way. To my mother and to all mothers here today, I want to express my deepest gratitude. Your tireless efforts, your patience, and your devotion have shaped me into the person I am today. Your influence has taught me an importance of kindness, empathy, and compassion. As we grow older, we realize the sacrifices our mothers have made for us. The late nights, the early mornings, the countless hours spent helping with homework, attending school events, and being a constant presence in our lives. So, on this Mother's Day, I want to say thank you. Thank you for being my rock, my confidant, and my best friend. Thank you for showing me what it means to love unconditionally. Dear audience, to all the mothers here today, I honor you, I celebrate you, and I thank you for being a constant source of love, support, and inspiration in our lives. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, my mother. Dear audience, feel free to modify it to fit your personal experiences and emotions. Remember, the most important thing is to speak from your heart and express your genuine appreciation and love for your mother. Thank you. Thank you very much, dear audience. Allah Hafiz.